Seashore Transportation was established in 1972 and Kerry ITS Terminal was established in 1987. Together, we form one of the largest strategic partnerships in the logistics industry in Singapore. We are well diversified and equipped with licenses for all types of cargo, including bonded and dangerous goods. We are capable of handling any and all of our customers' needs. Together with Kerry ITS presence in the global arena, we are well placed to take the logistics industry to the next phase and beyond. Our 21st century innovative evolution of the depot management system incorporates total logistics supply chain solution for our customers. We bring operations, storage, maintenance of sea freight containers and ISO tanks all under one roof. At the heart is our UCW ultra-high container warehousing system, which has a capacity of 6,048 TEUs with 15 equipment lifts to carry empty or laden containers, ISO tanks or reefers, incorporating a 10-floor goods warehouse space of 24,440 square meters with no ramp up or down, saving space and time for faster turnaround for the customer, as containers will be directly railed into each floor and placed onto the ground for stuffing and unstuffing. The prime mover carries the container to the UCW system. Soon after the containers is in the UCW loading zone. A loader picks the container up. The loader moves the container onto an APC. Our APC then carries the container to the elevator working zone. The elevator picks the container up and starts elevating. When the container arrives at its predetermined floor, a traveler inside the elevator is separated, allocating the container to the destined rack position. For the collection of a container, the elevator stops at the destined floor for the container to be taken out. A traveler separated from the elevator approaches the container, picks the container and moves back into the elevator. Our APC then carries the container out to the loading zone. The loader approaches the container, picks up and loads the container onto a prime mover. Now let us show you how our containers are moved from the rack cell to the warehouse, which is integrated into our UCW system. The loader, separated from the elevator, picks up a selected container and moves back to the elevator. The elevator brings the container to the allocated floor of the warehouse. Here, the traveler is separated from the elevator and places the container at a designated lot in the warehouse. Each floor of the warehouse has a height clearance of 16 meters to create a fully functional ecosystem within its own environment, with the needed equipment for handling any cargo, containers, ISO tanks, reefers for processing. Our newly constructed warehouse will also include a vehicle lift that can lift the prime movers or the trucks to any floor of our warehouse. Upon exiting the lift, the truck will move to the loading area where the goods are ready to be loaded or unloaded. Our trained and specialized warehouse assistants will load or unload the goods to or from the truck. The truck then enters the exit lift, and the lift carries the truck down to the ground floor and exits the building. All containers, ISO tanks and reefers will be subjected to an outgate inspection before exiting the premises. Our UCW also incorporates a heavy vehicle parking car park at the top floor. Seashore Transportation and Kerry ITS Terminal will be providing customized integrated logistics solutions for bonded and DG cargo, containers, tanks and reefers, all in one place.